While trends may lure you in with temptation, nothing beats the modern charm and timeless appeal of contemporary design homes. In this modern contemporary landed house at Luxus Hill, we have added cove lighting in the living area to give a soft and warm atmosphere. Decorating with mirrors is an easy way to make any room feel bigger. This full-height mirror can easily function as a statement piece and the decorations that blend into the home ambience. One of the key design choices in the master bedroom is using large ratio of wood accent that immediately adds a sense of warmth to the bedroom. In the study room, we have created a masterful, modern and spacious room with clean lines and sufficient storage compartment for the homeowner.
谢谢 Nicky、𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿 and Rezt+Relax 室内设计公司帮我们打造一个这么温馨舒适的家，谢谢。